How to restore archived posts on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to restore archived posts on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile here, and now click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will see this one, archive. Click on it and then click posts, and here we'll find archived posts. Now just select any post you want and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and then just click share on profile, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.